चलो let's make today this healthy and delicious beetroot pink sauce pasta. उसके लिए first you need to boil the beetroots and then add them into mixture grinder. उसके बाद you need to add the tomatoes, grind the mixture well. Now we are making white sauce for the pasta. We have added cashews and milk and then grind the paste to make the white sauce. Now saute the onions well until translucent. Add in the prepared beetroot puree to this and cook well. Now add salt, black pepper powder, oregano powder and garlic powder. When the sauce is cooked well, we're gonna add the prepared cashew white sauce to this and mixing this well. Mix the sauce well and adjust the seasoning as per your taste. Now add in the cooked whole wheat pasta to this and mix well. Yay, our pasta is ready to enjoy. Serve and garnish it with your favorite cheese, nuts, oregano, basil leaves, whatsoever you like. I hope you like the recipe.